Today we have with us Ms. Anushka Khandelwal. Ms. Anushka is currently working as a software engineer in Infosys. She is a trained Odissi dancer and a trained Hindustani vocalist. She is also a skilled ukulele player. She has been an active volunteer with the Art of Living Foundation since 2013. Ms. Anushka wishes to empower more youth to tap their potential in exploring various dimensions. Over to you, Ms. Anushka.
Uh, Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ria. That was a wonderful introduction. So, am I clearly audible and visible to everybody? You can show a thumbs up or you can type in the chat box. Yes, great. So, I can see a lot of people's video is off. Yeah. So, this is a Zoom session. We have all come to this platform. Let's make it more interesting. Can we all do that? Can we all turn on our videos? Yes, I'm waiting. A lot of people's video is off. I understand. I totally understand. But it is okay. We can keep our videos on. Yes. Now a lot of people have turned on the videos. No audio. Avinash, is the audio clear for everybody? Is the audio clear? It's not lagging, right? It's clear. Okay. Avinash, could you please check at your end? There might be some glitch at your end. Okay. Great. Still a lot of people's video is off. I hope everybody is here and they are listening. Okay, so as Ria already introduced, so my name is Anushka, and for the next maybe like 45 minutes to 50 minutes, we'll be here together. Yeah. One more question. Sabko Hindi or English comfortable hai? Like, can we combine both Hindi and English and make it English? Or is somebody, only English? I'll keep it more in English, but Hindi थोड़ा जरूरी होता है. Okay, great. Nice. So you all are first year students of C.V. Raman University. Completely comfortable. Great. So, first to begin with this session, I just want all of us to be in the same page. Yeah. So same page में कैसे रह सकते हैं? For the next 45 minutes, we have to जो भी आप कर रहे हो उसको थोड़ा साइड में रख लो and let's be here for the next 45 minutes. Can we all do that? Can we all be here 100%? Let's participate and be here for the next 45 minutes. Can we all do that? Show a thumbs up or yes, no. Sure. Yes. I'm waiting for a lot of people. Wow. Great. Yes. So मैं आपका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी. Won't pakao for you, but let's have fun and let's participate. The more you participate, the more fun it will be and the more you will gain out of this session. Great. Okay. So I want to begin this session with a question. एक question से शुरू करूँगी. And the question is, how many of you have dreams in life or how many want to become successful in life? You can raise hand or you can type in the chat box or you can raise virtually also. Yes, ma'am, pretty simple question. All of us want to be successful. Yeah, all of us have dreams in our life. All of us want to be successful. Yes. So now tell me, the next question is, what are those skills or what are those tools which you require to become successful in your life? आपको ऐसी कौन सी चीजें चाहिए अपनी लाइफ में जिससे आप सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हो या आप अपना ड्रीम अचीव कर सकते हो? So let me check the chat box. Okay, somebody has written focus. I have no dreams. It's okay. It's okay. You'll get it. Hard work. Guidance, okay. Explore karke. Smart work, very nice. Determination, clear mindset, consistency, dedication, good communication skills and smart work, very nice. Action, concentration. What else? Come on. As I told, participate. So I want everybody to answer. Personality, soft skills. Great. Yes, very true. What else? Come on, guys. right attitude or positive attitude. Yes, consistency towards what? Consistency towards whatever you're doing. Patience. Partner. Okay, partner. Hard work plus a little bit of luck. Okay, wow, that's nice. Luck. Okay, to motivate, positivity, curiosity to learn new, inquisitivity. Very nice. Honest towards work. Correct. Smart work to support. Ambitious. Sorry. Okay. Wow. Great. You guys are really, exploring. Very nice. So, you must have heard about the Stanford University. We all have must about heard about the Stanford University. Yes or no? Stanford University के बारे में सुना है? Yes. So it's world's one of the top universities all across globe. Yeah. So वहाँ से जो pass out होते हैं, they are generally CEOs and top professionals of some higher level. Yeah. तो Stanford University में एक survey हुआ था of some 100 top CEOs of various companies, and they were asked a question. They were asked a question कि how much percentage of their success, उनका सक्सेस का कितना परसेंट वो अपने डोमेन नॉलेज को देते हैं. डोमेन नॉलेज एज इन व्हाट? आपने जो पढ़ाई की है, वट एवर डिग्रीज यू आर गेटिंग राइट नाउ टिल 12th एंड वट एवर यू विल बी गोइंग नाउ, इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑल दिस इज कंसिडर्ड एज डोमेन नॉलेज. या and how much percentage of their success did they give to domain knowledge and how much percentage to soft skills. Soft skills क्या है? जो आपने अभी चैट में लिखा ना, concentration, focus, smart work, hard work, positivity, relationship, all these things are considered as soft skills. Yeah. So out of 100 आपको क्या लगता है कि आउट ऑफ 100% वो कितना परसेंट, जो सीईओज हैं, वो कितना परसेंट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को दिए होंगे और कितना परसेंट डोमेन नॉलेज को? सो यू कैन टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ देयर सक्सेस टू सॉफ्ट स्किल्स and how much to domain knowledge. 80% soft skills, 20% domain knowledge. Okay, 75 to soft skills, mostly to soft skills. I want a percentage. ऐसे हवा में नहीं चलेगा. Percentage बताओ. 70 soft skills, 30 domain. 90 to what, sir? 50-50, very safe option. 50-50 अपन 50-50 खेलेगा. Okay, 90-60 to soft skills, 40 to domain. 73.2, 75 soft skills, 50-50. 20 to domain and 80 to soft skills. Wow. Okay, great. Okay, 85% soft skills. Very nice. So, okay, I get it. 25, somebody 225. क्या लिख रहे हो? 225 by 45. Baapre. Very nice. It's obviously engineering batch. So, yeah. So, you guys, many of you were very close. They gave 87.5% to soft skills and just 12.5% to domain knowledge. Isn't it shocking? ऐसा हम अपने लाइफ में क्या करते हैं? We generally have given all our time, effort, money to which domain? take a guess. आज तक हम अपना सारा टाइम, एफर्ट, मनी किन डोमेन में देते आए हैं? मोस्टली टू आवर डोमेन नॉलेज. या डोमेन नॉलेज, करेक्ट. एंड वी रेयरली हैव डन एनीथिंग फॉर आवर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. बट टेल मी, अगर आप फ्यूचर में देखो, अवे फ्रॉम सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, यस, अगर आप फ्यूचर में देखो, व्हाट इज मोर रिक्वायर्ड? आप अगर इंटरव्यू में जाते हो और यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हायर स्टडीज, सो व्हाट विल बी मोर रिक्वायर्ड? सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, करेक्ट. So, it is one of the most important things that we require in order to become successful. Yes. So, in this workshop, which is called as Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop, we teach you various tools and techniques in order to increase your soft skills, on how you can, have better communication skills, how to have better, personality, and work on these various aspects of, time management and all this. Yeah. So, I did this course back, I think 6 years back in my college first year. Yeah, I was wise enough to choose this workshop in my first year itself. Yeah. But then it was, personally, it was a life-changing experience for me. For the next 4 days, it was a life-changing experience for me. And here I share of what were my takeaways from this session, and hope you gain something out of this session and the workshop. Yeah. So the first takeaway for me was concentration. Yeah, many of us have struggled and might struggle in our levels of concentration. So what is concentration according to you? आपको क्या लगता है, क्या है concentration, क्या है? You can participate. What is concentration? आपके हिसाब से what is concentration? Focus on a particular thing, ability to focus on a task. Okay, what else? So generally it is focus on a work at a time, nothing but hard work. Okay, interest plus focus. Okay, so generally हमें लगता है कि concentration is just focus. No, concentration is having a focused and a relaxed state of mind together. Do you want to experience how? मतलब मैम बोल रही है पर ऐसे कैसे, हम तो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हमें सब प्रैक्टिकल चाहिए. या सो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. यस, हम सबने 3 इडियट्स मूवी देखी है यहाँ पे, सबने 3 इडियट्स मूवी देखी है. 3 इडियट्स, यस. सो 3 इडियट्स मूवी में आमिर खान के 2 नाम थे. व्हाट वर दोस 2 नेम्स? कम ऑन, आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस आंसर. क्या थे? आमिर खान के 2 नाम थे. So what were those? Ranchod Das. What was the second name? Phunsukh Wangdu. Correct. Rancho and Phunsukh Wangdu. Correct. अच्छा, tell me कि 3 Idiots movie कितने साल पहले आई थी? When was the 3 Idiots movie released? 2009. Yeah, 2010. Yes, 2010. It's almost 10-11 years ago. Yeah. सच्ची बताना, 10 साल पहले हमने जो पढ़ाई किया वो याद है? Tell me. We rarely remember whatever we learned 10 years ago, isn't it? But हमें 3 Idiots मूवी याद है, उसका एक एक डायलॉग. आई कैन प्रेडिक्ट इस सेशन में कोई 1-2 जन तो होंगे जिनको उसका एक एक डायलॉग याद होगा. या यू नो व्हाई इट हैपेंड? बिकॉज व्हेन वी वर वाचिंग द मूवी वी वर कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड. हम पूरे फोकस्ड थे बट वी वर कंप्लीटली रिलैक्स्ड. ऐसा नहीं था यू नो आई हैव टू वॉच दिस मूवी विद फुल कंसंट्रेशन. That didn't happen. We were completely relaxed. Again, we were focused. Yeah. Now tell me, how is your state of mind 2 months before the exam? Exam आ रहा है, उसके 2 महीने पहले आपका state of mind कैसा है? How is your state of mind? Chill, relaxed. 2 महीने पहले यार, 2 महीने है, अभी तो हम टॉपर बन जाएंगे 2 महीने में. You're very relaxed. Yeah, but you're not focused. Now, what is the state of mind 2 minutes before the exam? 2 मिनट पहले एग्जाम के कैसे होता है? Oh God, पूरा प्रेशर कुकर, so much of tension and you know कल क्या होगा अभी एग्जाम में. कुछ लोग तो एग्जाम में घुसते घुसते दे लाइक ओ लास्ट एक बार देख लेता हूँ, बाई चांस दिस आंसर कम्स. या पास होना है. यस. सो एकदम टेंस्ड होते हैं, isn't it? But we were not, मतलब we are focused but we are tensed. हम focused तो बहुत होते, एकदम जो पढ़ रहे होते we scan it, but we are not relaxed. So concentration is having a focused and a relaxed state of mind together. Then whatever we learn, it stays with us for a longer time. And even I had this perspective of only concentration, but this perspective of mine changed after doing, learning and practicing those tools and techniques taught in the S Plus workshop. It really helped me to increase my concentration. And till date, when I'm working in Infosys, the techniques help me to even manage my work and be that focused that I have to complete it on time. Yeah. So ये सब आपको सिखाया जाता है कि कैसे आप अपना concentration बढ़ा सकते हो. Isn't it great? And इससे ना एक और चीज होती है which is time management. अगर आप देखो तो जो चीज आपको मतलब पहले वो चीज 4 घंटे लगते थे, but with better concentration now I take it 2 hours with the same effort because my concentration really increased. That is the key. So the key is to improve your concentration. Yeah. Like this is a part, and I was really struggling to manage my time because I had to do extracurriculars with studies. पढ़ाई जरूरी है, उसके साथ साथ थोड़ा extracurricular भी चाहिए था. This workshop helped me to manage the time, balancing both. until date I am able to manage all those things. Yeah. And the second and the most important thing काफी लोगों ने आपने बोला is confidence. Yeah, many of you told कि we need confidence to become successful and all these things. The second takeaway was for me, yeah, can you give me some tips? We will come to it. We'll come to it. Yeah. So confidence, what confidence is, doubting our capabilities. मतलब हम generally confidence decreases when doubt increases. हम अपने पे डाउट जब ज्यादा करने लगते हैं तब हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस डिक्रीज होने लगता है. नाउ टेल मी, हम जनरली किन चीजों को डाउट करते हैं अपने लाइफ में? डू वी डाउट द पॉजिटिव्स और वी डाउट द नेगेटिव्स इन आवर लाइफ? हम किन चीजों को डाउट करते हैं? टेल, कम ऑन, पार्टिसिपेट. Negative, negatives. Okay. We doubt the negatives in our life. Positives, negatives, positives, negatives. So we generally doubt the positives in our life. You know how? I can explain how it is. Equal. Generally, हम positives doubt करते हैं. You know, suppose, let me take a person. So, come on. This is a participative session and you'll really enjoy if you keep your videos on. Okay. So, okay. So, suppose, Abhishek. Abhishek, hi. Abhishek Banerjee, are you there? Yeah, okay. So, Abhishek, could you unmute yourself?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Abhishek. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. So,
Thank you.
Abhishek, you are going to your college after this pandemic gets over and you're going to your college first day. And there's
Yes,
a girl who comes up and tells you, Abhishek, you know what? And she is the crush of almost the whole college. Yeah. And she comes up and tells you, Abhishek, you know what? I love you. Yeah. What now? Genuinely, what will Abhishek's reaction be? He'll be like, me? Is it me? Yeah. Now
I'll run
again,
away,
the
ma'am.
same girl comes. See, and now the same girl comes and tells the other day, Abhishek, you know what? I hate you. Abhishek, 2 seconds bhi rukega nahi, like, you hate me. I hate your whole khandan. So come on, get lost. Isn't it? So what we doubted here, we doubted the positive. Yeah. Thank you so much, Abhishek. We can clap for Abhishek. He was really participative.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So you know what happened here? We tend to doubt all the positives in our life and we rarely doubt the negatives. Yeah, we doubt our capabilities. And we never doubt of our incapabilities. We are sure of the things we cannot do. यार मुझसे ये एग्जाम पास ही नहीं होगा यार, बहुत लोड है यार. Happens. यार मतलब I cannot do this, I cannot, but we are not sure of the things we can do. Oh, will be I able to do it? We get nervous and there are a lot of things that happen. Yeah, how many of you have stage fear here? कितने लोगों को stage fear है? Genuinely stage fear है. जैसे अभी अगर मैं पूछूं किसी को आके कुछ बोलने का तो कुछ होगा. Yes, what happens when there is stage fear? पेट में कुछ होने लगता है. When you are asked to give your interview, पेट में कुछ होने लगता है and जमीन खिसकने लगती है. So this happens, but we need to start accepting what we can do and doubt less on us. That is the key to gain confidence. And with various tools and practicing various tools, you will get to increase your confidence level. It's a practice which you need to keep doing. Yeah. So this is the key for increasing your confidence. And हाँ, आपको stage fear था, I'll tell you. Yeah. So this happens. It happens with majorly all of us. We all have gone through that phase. Yeah. So chill marne ka and start accepting positives more. Yes. And the third and the most important thing that I want to tell, ये तो मतलब हम masters रह चुके हैं इसमें, is emotional garbage. You know what emotional garbage is? Okay. Now I'll take one more person. Come on guys, open your videos. Not done. अगर नेट बहुत कम है तो it's okay, but I'll still insist if you keep your videos on. Okay, so I'm gonna pick one more person here. किसी का वीडियो ऑन हुआ क्या? Okay. Uh, Somini Nayak, are you there? 1 second, Somini, I'll unmute you. Hi, Somini, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, thank you. I'm good. I'm good here. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah, really nice. So, Somini, uh, yes, can we have a spotlight on Somini? Wait, let me do it. Okay. Wow. She suddenly, oh God, what has happened here? It's okay, chill. Wow, Swamini, you really have a beautiful smile and your teeth set is perfect. You know, it's
Thank you, ma'am.
perfectly lined and your hair is so properly done. I like the bob cut, it's really suiting you. And the way you have put on that jacket, it's really cool. Yeah. And, you know, I just love the way you are, carrying yourself. But you know what, Swamini, I think तुम्हारी नाक ना थोड़ी बड़ी है. Yeah.
Yeah,
just just kidding. Yeah,
it's
so
okay.
guys, what did you notice here? आपने क्या notice किया यहाँ पे? We can clap for Somini. Like, thank you so much, Somini. Thank you. We can all virtually clap. Thank you, Somini. So yeah, what happened here? यहाँ क्या हुआ? मैंने Somini को around 7 से 10 compliments दिए. Yeah, but मैंने उसको एक comment दिया. तो अभी Somini क्या याद रखेगी? The compliments or the comment? Tell me.
Compliments.
Yes, compliment. I really think, once she go back, she'll be like, oh really, मेरी नाक टेढ़ी है क्या? And then she'll be like, वो मेरे को बोल रही थी उसने अपनी नाक देखी है, इतनी छोटी है उसकी नाक. So what we generally hold on to is the comment. मैंने उसको 10 compliments दिए, but that one comment will stay for her till ages. मतलब वो मैम एक बार आई थी कॉलेज में टॉक देने एंड शी टोल्ड मी दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल. Yes, so this stays. So how to deal with all these emotional garbage that we carry? This is one of the major issues with all of us here. Yeah, so how to handle our mind? अगर आप देखो तो ये सारे इमोशंस हमारे माइंड से है ना, कहीं और से तो नहीं आ रहा ना, पेट से, इंटेस्टाइन, लंग्स, कहीं से नहीं आ रही है, अपने माइंड से आ रहा है. Yes or no? And today's session is mind hacks, brain hacks. Yeah. So how to handle this mind? Don't you think it's one of the most important aspects of our life? Yeah. Don't you think कि हमारा जो मन है, that is the most important aspect, and how to handle our mind should be one of the major concerns in our life? Yes or no? Yes. So in this workshop, we teach you various tools and techniques how to handle your mind. Through various practical tools and techniques, you'll know how to handle your emotions, how to handle your mind. Generally what happens, 2 years of friendship, 2 साल की friendship है, and just one fight and the friendship is over. Yeah. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, somebody tells you, oh, you look beautiful. You're just overwhelmed. Oh, wow, she told me I'm beautiful. Somebody comes and scolds you. कोई आपको कुछ डांट देता है, तो you're like, oh, वो मेरे पे गुस्सा कर रहा है. Somebody comes in, tells something about you, और आप मतलब you feel low. So indirectly हम क्या है, हम एक रिमोट, वो टीवी टेलीविजन है, कोई आता है, हमारी एक बटन दबाता है और चला जाता है, एंड वी एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड उस इंसान को एग्जैक्टली पता होता है कि हमें कौन सा बटन दबाना और इसका रिएक्शन क्या होगा. वी आर सो प्रेडिक्टेबल इन आवर इमोशंस. Yes, so this happens, and how to deal with it is the challenge. Yeah. So in this workshop, we teach you various practical tools and techniques on how to handle your mind properly. And if you see, ये सारी चीजें जो है, confidence, concentration, emotional handling, and all these things, these are somewhere related to our mind. Yes or no? You agree with me or not? Yes. You can show a thumbs up or you can type. This is true. So it is very important that we work on our mind, and it is high time that we do it. Yes. Now one more question: what is stress? What is stress? तो हम बोलते हैं ना कि इट इज द बजवर्ड एट प्रेजेंट, इट इज द बजवर्ड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, विच इज स्ट्रेस. तो व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस? Stress is completely constant vacillation of the mind from the past to the future and future to the past. ये जो हमारा माइंड कंप्लीटली वैसिलेट करता है ना, पास्ट से फ्यूचर में, फ्यूचर से पास्ट, पास्ट फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर पास्ट, दिस कंप्लीट वैसिलेशन इज स्ट्रेस. या सो आप मेरे को बताओ कि क्या होता है व्हेन वी थिंक अबाउट पास्ट. जब हम पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं तो व्हाट आर दोज इमोशंस दैट कम अप व्हेन वी थिंक अबाउट द पास्ट. ऐसे कौन सी इमोशंस, प्रीडोमिनेंट इमोशंस है जो हम जब हम पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं तो वो आते हैं इमोशंस. यू कैन टाइप sadness, okay, fear, okay, fear of failing. Past के बारे में, past, you have to think about the past. Failure, nostalgia, regret, regret, correct. What else? Failure, yes. तो जनरली जब हम पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं ना, there are 2 to 3 predominant emotions that are regret, guilt. ये दो हमारे इमोशंस प्रीडोमिनेंट है जो हम जब पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं. एक रिग्रेट रहता है, गिल्ट रहता है. या एंड व्हाट आर दोज इमोशंस which come up when you think about the future. जब आप फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हो तो वो कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस है जो आते हैं? फैंटेसीज, ओके, सो अदर्स कुड फॉलो. ओके, फैंटेसी, होप. फ्यूचर के बारे में से कौन से प्रीडोमिनेंट इमोशंस? फियर, करेक्ट, फियर. एंड व्हाट? uncertainty, dream, hope. कुछ है, when you completely think. Fear, yes. Unemployment, okay. Anxiety, correct, yes. So there are 2 to 3 predominant emotions which we think about the future is fear and anxiety. Yes. So how to deal with all these emotions? How to deal with fear, regret, guilt and all these things? हम जनरली घर का कचरा होता है वो एक छोटे से कोने में एक डस्टबिन रखते हैं ना, उसमें डालते हैं पूरे घर का कचरा. यस और नो? यस और नो? घर का जो कचरा होता है पूरा एक डस्टबिन में रहता है. तो वही है जो अपने माइंड का कचरा है, जो माइंड के इतने सारे नेगेटिव इंप्रेशंस और इमोशंस है. डोंट यू थिंक इट इज नेसेसरी टू फ्लश इट आउट? यस और नो? थिंक अबाउट इट. So, yes, my internet is unstable. Am I audible? आपको आवाज आ रही है? Okay, I think it's lagging. Yes, yes. So, it is really very important on how to handle our mind. And I can seriously tell it is something so very important at present day. अपने इमोशंस को कैसे हैंडल करना है, अपने माइंड को कैसे हैंडल करना है, सो दैट यू कैन बिकम मोर सक्सेसफुल, इंक्रीज योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड डीलिंग विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. यस और नो? या सो in this workshop we teach you various practical tools and techniques जिससे आप खुद से you can just practice the technique for some time and then you'll gradually see the changes in you. So it is very, very important. That is why your college has invited us today, so that the students of C.V. Raman College can experience this. Sounding great? Yes or no? Yeah. So, the workshop I was talking about is called as Yes Plus Workshop, Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop. So it is happening from 24th to 27th of December in the evening, 6:30 to 9 p.m. So it's obviously after your classes. Can we have the poster for the workshop, please? Abhishek, are you there? Yeah, so meanwhile, while he's showing the poster, yes. So here is the poster. So the workshop is from 6:30 to 9 p.m. for 4 days. It's spread over 4 days. And the best thing of this workshop is you get a certificate. Thank you so much for the slide. Yes. So the best thing is after the completion of the workshop, you get a certificate. And this certificate holds a lot of value in your CV. CV as in जब आप placements या companies के लिए बैठोगे, तो this certificate holds a lot of value. Like I was sitting for the placements in TCS and Infosys, and in both I showed the certificate and they were pretty convinced कि हाँ, the skills we are looking forward to, and just not me, many of my friends and many of my batchmates, they also gained a lot from this certificate. So it's something very important, and this is what the companies and people around are looking forward to. And I can truly tell this workshop does wonders to people, and this certificate holds a lot of value in your life and in your career also. Yeah. So yeah, with this I just wanted to inquire how many of you are interested for the workshop. आप में से कौन-कौन interested हो ये workshop के लिए? Okay, let me check. You can raise your hands virtually or you can just raise your hands. Great. Great. So wise decision taken. Yeah. So before we want to show you a video of one of the universities in Bangalore. It's called as Presidency University. So वहाँ पे workshop हुआ था, and you can just hear to the experience of students in the Presidency University. Yeah. So the faculty who'll be taking this workshop is Mr. Shyam Agarwal and Miss Ashna Gupta. And these two faculties, I can tell they are brilliant. Brilliant. They are my teachers, and I can just definitely say they have taken courses in IITs, IIMs, in various Triple IT Bhubaneswar, and Silicon Institute and various other institutes. Yeah. So do not miss it a chance to learn this workshop from them. Yeah. So before that, can we have the video, please, for the Yes Plus workshop, Presidency University?
Person who was afraid to go out and do something which I liked.
People of my age, they will have problems with their parents, understanding their parents and what they think.
I had back pain, and then I had a lot of stress problem.
I think I lacked confidence, concentration.
My mind always went back and forth between the past and the present of what I will do next and what I did.
Actually, I had communication problems first of all.
Faced a lot of difficulties, like for my exams and all that stuff.
I didn't believe that somebody can help me in this way, right? Or something can help me in this way.
Like what and all I had before just changed into positive manner.
I feel like very light now. I feel much better. I haven't felt like this for like past 6 to 7 years.
What I really enjoyed in the course was Sudarshan Kriya. It was not only about the yoga sessions and all that. They really helped us in interacting with each other, because this is like the beginning of our college, so we don't know anybody around here.
I feel light about everything. I had anxiety issues. I think that's reduced in this past 4 days.
So many memories that I will carry, because I don't share that much. But because of this course, it really helped me share all my thoughts.
I become self-confident more. Now I can speak loudly and without nervousness.
It has been a great experience and a life-changing experience, I can say from now.
I cannot express in words. It was really nice. I think I'll continue this, and it will definitely have a positive impact on my life.
It was really fun working with a group of people together and doing something, making a difference in the campus. I think everyone should try this once in their lifetime. It's a really great experience, and I think it will get a change in your life.
Yeah, thank you for the video. How was it? How was the experience of people? You heard it? Yes. So, this is just, this was just a glimpse of what exactly the Yes Plus workshop is. And there is so much of fun I can tell. As I remember in my first year, 4 days, they were till date the best days of my life. It was so much of fun, like a lot of fun. with a lot of learning and a lot of growth as well as an individual. So like personally, I have gained a lot from this workshop, and I would definitely like to invite each one of experience this workshop for once. You know, I can just keep on telling. वो ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि रसगुल्ला गोल होता है, सफेद होता है, मीठा होता है, चाशनी होती है and all that. But जब तक आप amazing है, but you have to come and experience it. And it's a wonderful workshop, I can tell. It's a certified workshop. So you're gonna gain a lot from this workshop, I can say. So after listening to all this, how many are interested? So generally, yeah, you can raise your hands properly. अच्छे से उठा सकते हो, you know. Yes. So generally for anything we do in our life, we need 3 things. हमें लाइफ में कुछ भी करना होता है ना, तो हमें 3 चीजें की बहुत जरूरी होती है. द फर्स्ट इज टाइम. पहली चीज है टाइम. तो टाइम जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि इट्स इन द इवनिंग 6:30 to 9 PM फॉर 4 days, 24, 25, 26, 27. 4 दिन का ये वर्कशॉप है. आपको चारों दिन आना है इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट. So it is compulsory to attend all the 4 days. The effort is, again, you have to come for all the 4 days on time for the session. Yeah, because our teachers they'll be very particular with the timings, and the money is, it's a donation of 2,000 rupees, and this you can, you know, you can use this workshop and the certificate for future anytime you want. So it's like a lifetime membership that you gain out of the workshop. So it is 2,000 rupees. Yeah. So after listening to the time and the effort and the money, how many of you are genuinely interested and want to make that change in your life? So you can raise your hands now. How many of you are interested? You can raise your hands. Yeah, virtually or yeah. Okay, great. Okay. So no issues. We'll contact you. And if you have any questions, we'll share the details with you. Can we share the website link? Yeah, the platform will be Zoom. The Zoom will be the platform to conduct the workshop. Can we share the website link for the workshop? Let me check it. Okay. So before, you know, they will be sharing it soon. Yes. So it is shared. It's already shared. So you can check it out. You can check the the website of the workshop. And I would personally like to invite all of you. Don't give second thoughts to something good like this. And it is a very rare opportunity that you're getting. So don't miss this chance. Yeah. Think about it and talk to your parents and just go for it. I can say that. Just go for it. Yeah. But before winding up, let's have